Hi, my name is Rick Griggs, and I am a woodworker from Scottsdale, Arizona, as you can tell by the swirl in the background. And it's unusual, we actually have clouds in the sky today. I do live edge tables and live edge artwork, and I do stone inlay and powdered stone inlay. I have a passion for it, I love it. It's great therapy for me. I have some great clients, and I've done things for people all across the country. And you can find those on my website. I want to take you inside the shop now, where it's a little bit cooler than it is out here. It's about 103 right now. A little tour of the shop here. It'll be a brief one. We won't get too involved. There's a lot of things out here. These are a couple pieces that I'm working on right now. Well, this is a redwood burl that I'm doing some stone inlay, and this will be a coffee table. So still working on that. And as you can see, the shop is a mess, but then again, as long as I know where everything is and can find it, that's the important thing. But all kinds of pieces of equipment through here. And these are two of my primary things. This is a Festool Rotex, and this is a 5-inch right here. And I use it a lot. And then underneath this table here is a 6-inch, and those are very, very handy. I have 3 basic work tables, as I'll have multiple projects going on. And I've got another Buckeye Burl wall piece here. And doing this one with green serpentine, and this serpentine comes from the state of Washington. And then you see that little blue stuff there, that's some chrysocolla. I was looking at chrysocolla in here, a piece of it, and chrysocolla is very brittle. It breaks up very easily. And these boxes, old shoe boxes, are great because I keep different stones in here. And I've got about 6 or 7 boxes of various stones categorized. And then I've got another plate of stones here. Some really cool stuff like this leopard stone. That's actually the way the stone is. But some of the stones are just phenomenal, just incredible. This is Tiffany from Oregon. This is petrified peanut wood. And yes, I do have a Godiva chocolate box, but when you open it up, no chocolates, but some pretty cool stones. I'll get this plastic out of the way. This is Mucolite jasper from Australia. It's very, very cool. I've used it in a few tables already. Some dendrite, and then I have some Kingman turquoise and some copper from northern Michigan, which is very cool. Some green turquoise from Nevada, and a number of other stones in there that I use for the tables when going through. But this is my special stone box here. And this green bag, green serpentine from Washington State, I've got several bags of that. I love that, but it takes the right combination, the right wood. And of course, the shop wouldn't be complete without clamps, and this is my rack of clamps. Now we'll take a look at some of the inventory on the wood. We've got some very cool things here, and this is pistachio. Very, very cool wood, very unique, very beautiful. Over here is some olive from California. Make a nice occasional table. Then some Pacific yew from the Northwest, and another unique table. And then one of my favorites over here, very popular, it is the Claro Walnut Burl. And that is usually in the end table. And then I've got a lot of Buckeye Burl, which is very popular. I've got it all stacked up here. And also in here, there are some woods from Hawaii. This piece right here is cedar from the Northwest, and just an array of woods that I have in my shop right now. And that's a little insight inside the shop. Thanks for taking the time. Let me know if you have any questions.